So this is the patch manager. Go to the patch baseline, then we search with Porter, and you can see this 1 2 3 4 5. So we will just exclude the Ubuntu, and for rest of it we'll just click on it and click on edit, and then we just give this date, like every month of second Tuesday we give the date. So for example, for August it will be 5th of Tuesday. So this is when all the Windows, like Linux, everything will release their patches that will be used to patch our instances. So we just have to give second week of that Tuesday and then edit patch baseline. So that will just save the date. So once that is done, we come here to documents on the left. So we have this AWS run patch baseline document. So we come here, we go to run command over here, and so yeah, this AWS patch baseline is selected, and then over here operations we do install, reboot if needed. Then here we just choose through tag. So I'll go here, search for patch group, and then QA ASG. So how this is coming is basically we'll have EC2 machine. So here if I search with patch group equals QA ASG, it will all be in stop state because these are base servers. So if you see tag, it will have this patch group QASG. So we just gonna call that in our patch baseline. So patch group QASG, then we click add, and then here we go to rate control. So here we give percentage 100 and then 100. So if anything fails also, it will just keep going without stopping. So yeah, we just come here, run it. So that will trigger the patch. Okay, never mind. So that will trigger the patch of the base servers. So once the base servers are patched, then we will see that through compliance if everything is patched. So like if anything fails, we'll just try to go back to patch manager and like go to patch now, scan and install, and patch only the target group, choose man. If this is in case like when it fails from the patch, we'll just come here, just choose whichever failed, and then we will update here. Then we'll just click the patch now. So that will patch those individual instances. So once this is done, once the patching of the base server is done, we have to go to AWS backup. So we go to backup plan here. So we already have this QA ASG April, if you see. So click here. So here what we need to do is we need to assign a resource. So resource name is like this month patching, so QA June, like July patching, and then after that you just actually don't choose anything, just come here and assign that resource. So what it does is it will start doing the backup, but before that, before you assign the resource, you have to come here to the backup rules and click edit. And if you see the time, that this time we have to match like whatever time it is there here, like UTC time we have to match, like for, so not UTC, sorry, the Toronto time, we have to match it, and then save it. After that we need to assign the resource, that whatever I showed you before. So what it will do is it will trigger the backup jobs. So these are previous backup jobs. So it will start taking backup of all the instances, if you see, and then it will save it to a vault. So once the instances are backed up, then we need to go to, so as of now we are just patching 20 critical instances in QA. Other ones are not patched, but we need to automate it for 101 ASGs. But we are just gonna stay with, we're gonna test it with 20 non-critical ASGs first. So let me explain you that step. So this is all manual step, I'm just showing the flow, how the flow is. So once once the patching is done, we have to, one sec. So once the patching is done, we come first. Sorry, yeah. So once we have all this